Gold traded bearish yesterday and achieved 1908 levels as we discussed in our yesterday's update that any buying entry is only above 1926 levels or 1930 levels. Beyond that, only bullishness can be confirmed. Since then, we have seen it trading bearish. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect it to drop further or is it going to bounce back? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you think I am adding value to your trading decisions, do like, share, subscribe and comment. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. You can also remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, if you look at the hourly charts for gold, you will find there was too much of divergence from the 20 period. That is why we have asked that possibly we can see a possible sell here and expect it to come down to this zone at 1910, 1908. What has happened since then? The drop, the retracement, and now again trying to look downwards. The possibility of it coming down to 1910, 1908 is strong, and this is again going to remain a great support. Now see what has happened since then. The Bollinger Bands has and now the moves are going to be outside Bollinger Bands. Yes, it is going to be outside Bollinger Bands. We are going to see a stretch move, whichever direction it is going to happen. Possibly, I am looking forward to a slight drop towards 1910, 1980 levels, the first target, and below that, we will be looking forward to 1900, the critical support. Again, the only buying entries above 1922, beyond which you can expect 1926 and 1930 levels. Beyond 1930, it is going to be considered bullish. Also, if you look at the moving averages are trading with too much of divergence, the possibility of it to converge exists here. If you look at the stochastic, this is at bottom. MACD has been trading bearish. It is looking downwards. One wave is complete. If it converges and crosses over from here, we may see bullishness. RSI looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, same the conversion towards moving average, retracement, and now again the convergence towards moving average. If you connect the dots here, you will find gold is trying to trade in this bearish channel, the bottom of this channel somewhere here at 1904, 1905 levels, and below that further bearishness may prevail. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropping, the MACD is divergent, the MACD is bearish looking downwards. RSI is also come out of the overbought zone and trading comfortable. Looking at 3 hours, similar observation, nothing different. Lower highs, lower lows. I will wait for it to touch at least this zone at 20 period moving average, 19.8, 19.10 again. And in fact, further lows can be expected today. We will wait how it takes the shape. However, yes, a reversal confirmation above 1922 and 26 levels where you can buy, but then wait for it to break past 1932, 1930, 32 in order to confirm the reversal here. Moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bullish. Too much of divergence between the 20 and 50 suggests that there should be a slight further drop. The stochastic looking down, the MACD has just crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. This crossover has come after a long bullish move, and possibly this could pull the prices little down. At least even if it is not turning completely bearish, it has to pull the prices little down and stay bearish for a while. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 4. Likewise on the 4-hour chart. See, on the 4-hour chart, the moving averages are still staying far below, and that is what has happened. It is just trading in zone, waiting for the moving average to come up and then achieve the prices here. Thus today, once we see it below 1914, possibly we can initiate a selling entry here. Also, one must look at, see what has happened here. Drop, retracement, a reversal sign, first red candle, and then the second red candle, follow-up candle might be a bearish candle which can pull the prices little down here. And thus I will be looking forward to 1910, 1908 as the first target, 1904 and 1900. Remember, 1900 is going to remain a very, very good support, and below that more bearishness may prevail. On the 4-hour chart, the 20, 50 and 100 period moving averages are also crossed over. This is a bullish sign as of now. Stochastic, comfortable here. The MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with slight divergence and bearishness, and this crossover has come after a long bullish move. Also, I had mentioned yesterday that it is trading with a fat belly and it must try to convert. That has happened. Now it is crossed over, so a couple or more bearish candles can be expected from here. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, trading comfortable. Looking at the day, now see on the daily charts, lower highs in the preceding two candles, the top of this channel at around 1925 levels, which is going to remain a great resistance. And if you look at the bottom and if you see the expansion here, we might be looking forward to 1900 and below levels possibly today. Now, if you look at what is happening here, see a sharp, strong bullish candle here, a gap down, and now it is trying to trade with a slight bearish bias, possibly staying below 1910, 1908. Certainly more bearishness may prevail, where one can look forward 1904 and 1900 levels. Now see, in fact the candle is red. In fact, we can see a bearish move, but still you have to stick to the levels here. If you see the price is staying above 1922, you can buy, but then 1925-26 zone is what you should look for. If it breaks beyond 1925-26, consider that it is trying to reverse and more bullishness may prevail here. Yes, as of now, I expect it to trade with a slight bearish bias, but still I will recommend you to just stick to the levels rather than the bias. Expectation of bearishness is there. However, a reversal we should not ignore, and thus you have to trade with your stop losses here. See, the stochastic is overbought, and this too calls for a red candle today on the daily charts and possible retracement. The MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness. It can possibly converge here, and the RSI is trading comfortable near to the overbought zone. So looking at this, I will recommend you to sell at 1914, be cautious at 1910, 1908, that is the first level, and then we will be looking forward to a further drop towards 1904 and 1900 levels. That will be the expectation today from gold. And on the upside, any entry, any move beyond 1922, you can initiate a buying position there. 1925, 26, you have to wait for it to break past by. Beyond that, the bullishness may prevail towards 1930, 32, and then above 30, 32 is the confirmation of reversal. So trade accordingly, trade as per the levels. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is started yesterday, and the 27th batch is going to be on 20th November. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Press the bell icon, join my free Telegram channel for more updates. The next update on gold will be released before the US session. Do watch that as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.